12th November, we witnessed one of the mega project that is getting launched by Emaar in India, that is Serenity Hills. We went to their launch event. उनके CEO के साथ मिले. We had a great discussion with him, and it was an amazing evening where the whole fraternity was there to witness this mega launch. Emaar India is getting big in India with this launch. It's approximately around 26 acres of development. I think this is going to be the biggest launch of Emaar in India in group housing segment till date. Sector 86 is the location. I met a lot of fraternity members and the senior members of the industry who have contributed a lot to this industry. हम लोगों ने शेयर किया क्या मार्केट के अंदर चल रहा है, how the market is moving around. The main purpose of visiting here was obviously meeting the management and the team of Emaar and to understand what this project has to offer. The project is Serenity Hills. It's in sector 86. The location is superb. In fact, इसका जो tagline है that is come home to acres of nature. The reason of putting this tagline is that it's going to be around 26 acres of development, 1800 apartments in 26 acres, approximately around 69 apartments per acre. और इसमें जो central green ही होगा वो around 8 एकड़ का होगा. और developer is only creating the footprint on 13 acres of the total land parcel और 87 acres is going to be open areas. तो पहले लोकेशन को डिस्कस करते हैं. बैंक ऑन 75 मीटर रोड. इसके जो एक्सेस पॉइंट्स क्रिएट होंगे वो 3 होंगे. एक होगा 75 मीटर रोड से जिस रोड पे DLF अल्टीमा है और 2 एक्सेस पॉइंट्स क्रिएट होंगे 24 मीटर रोड से. 26 एकर्स की साइट, 13 टावर्स, अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड 1800 अपार्टमेंट्स. अभी फेज 1 में द डेवलपर इज ओपनिंग अराउंड 7 टावर्स, सो दैट्स गोइंग टू हैव अराउंड 997 अपार्टमेंट्स. एंड जो टावर्स की हाइट होगी दैट इज गोइंग टू बी ग्राउंड प्लस 32 टू ग्राउंड प्लस 39. Floor to ceiling height is going to be 3.15 meter. The 3 BHK smaller size apartment you are going to get 1 car parking included in the price. In 3 BHK large you are going to get 2 car parking, and for a 4 BHK you are going to get 3 car parking included in the price. Additional you can buy. There are going to be 2 level of basement parking. Club house के बारे में बात करें तो club house is going to be more than 1 lakh square feet. Now coming on to the sizes. तो जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, there is going to be 8 acres of central greens. It's going to be huge central greens that this particular project has to offer. More than 20 acres of landscape open space. तो सिर्फ 13 एकड़ का ground coverage होगा for construction, and rest of the area is going to be used for open spaces plus the landscape area. There are going to be a lot of water elements created within this community. तो आपको बहुत सारी water bodies मिलेंगी. 1 लाख स्क्वायर फीट से ज्यादा का आपका क्लब हाउस के amenities होंगी. जैसे IGVC Platinum pre-certified development. तो ये जो certification है, this is an expensive certification but the developer is going for it. More than 80% of the total units are going to face towards the central greens. Now coming on to the sizes, for the 3 BHK smaller that is going to be 1750 square feet size. The 3 BHK large is going to be somewhere around 2200 square feet, and the 4 BHK is going to be around 3100. Now coming on to the pricing, the price for the smaller 3 BHK starts from 2.98 crores. The 3 BHK large starts from 3.87 crores, and the 4 BHK starts from 5.28 crores. We have experience of more than 20 years. I myself have worked with lot of developers at a leadership level. 20 साल से गुड़गांव रियल एस्टेट मार्केट को मैंने नीचे और ऊपर जाते हुए देखा. तो आप अगर हमारी इनसाइट्स चाहते हो तो आप हमारी टीम को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो.